heated pool and the hot tub. Lovely. These units you can rent out. Take a shortcut. That's the other pool. And then that's the main one up there. This is the dog park at Coachella Lakes. This would be the best dog park we've encountered yet, by far. Very nice backdrop as well. Where's your ball? Where'd it go? Split into two sections. All these small and large dogs. Water, it's always a good thing. It's almost like a real dog park. Sit. Good girl, good girl. Finally gets to run. Yeah, you finally get to run on grass. Good girl. There's a golf course here and a putting section, which I think would be fun to try. This one's brand new, just like the last one. There's actually still construction going on. This is a very, very nice RV resort. And they even honor Passport in America for 3 days. So that's a screaming deal. So we're out here playing 18 holes of mini putt, but as you can see, it's quite a nice setup they have here. And the other thing about this place is they have their own internet network. So you're not like, you know, trying to reach their Wi-Fi from the office. There's actual antennas all around. And no matter where you are, there's a good signal. 2G and 5G. Did you go pee? Did you go for pee?
Hmm?